Hello, welcome to my reverse engineering project. I chose to do the spray bottle, and here is the spray bottle that I chose to take apart. The purpose of the spray bottle is just to spray liquid at your selected target, whatever that may be. The purpose of the shape of it, as you can see here, the purpose of the shape of the bottle obviously is to hold the liquid. The purpose of the handle is so that it's easy to use and easy to squeeze. And then at the top you can see the where the liquid would come out of as a sprayer, so it's easy to aim. Um, with this, the weight of the device I think is very relevant to the object that you see here. It's very lightweight. However, when you put liquid in it, it obviously will get heavier. And then the color of the device, you can see is pink here. You can pick any color. I got this from the Dollar Tree. They had multiple colors, so maybe you could color code the liquids you're using. I'm not sure, like you could use it for cleaning products or different things. And when I took this apart, the different parts to this spray bottle, there were actually 16, which I was very surprised about. As you can see here, I have listed all 16 parts, including what they're made of. And then I also have a picture here, just so you can see what I'm talking about when I'm describing it. So the very first thing we have is a bottle, which was made of pink plastic for the liquid to go into. The second thing was a spray cap, which allows you to aim the liquid that you're spraying at. The third thing was the spray tube, which was made up of just clear plastic. This allows the liquid to travel from the bottle to the handle. The fourth thing is the spray cap, or the spray tube cap. This went on the bottom of the tube, so it allowed you to filter any liquids that you were spraying. The fifth thing was the spray handle cap guard. This just guarded the handle so that it's not easy to take apart. The sixth thing was the actual spray handle itself, so it's easy to pull when you're using it. The seventh thing was the spring guard cap, so it actually had a piece of plastic or a cap that covered the spring so it wouldn't pop out. The eighth thing is a spring, which is made of metal, so when you are actually pulling the handle. The ninth thing, spray cap mist piece. This guarded where the misting was happening. And then the 10th thing was the spray cap mist piece spring holder. So allowing it to mist has different settings to it. This actually guarded the spring for the misting part of the spray bottle. The 11th thing was the spray cap spring. So this was also made of metal. The 12th thing, I called it a mister ball. It was a very, very tiny plastic clear ball that was connected to number 11, 10, and 9. And this allowed the liquid to flow through into a misting setting. The 13th thing was the foam washer, which I believe applies pressure to the liquid so that it would come out at a different speed. The 14th thing is a bottle seal, and I'm not sure if you can tell from this picture, but the bottle seal is a little broken because it did take me to use a hammer to get this off, so I actually had to hammer this off. And this went at the top of the bottle and connected the bottle to the handle, the spray handle itself. And then the 15th thing is the tube bottle connector. So this is where the tube went into the handle and down from the bottle. This actually was very difficult to get off as well. I had to use pliers to get this off. And then the 16th thing is the sprayer itself, which is made up of plastic. So the whole piece pretty much is made up of plastic except for the two metal springs that are inside of it. And after taking it apart, I would say that the ease of the manufacture is difficult. There are very, very tiny pieces that go into this, and they all go into different tiny parts, and if something didn't fit properly, then it wouldn't work properly. And I think that all of these different pieces allow it very easy for the user to use. However, taking it apart was not that easy, and I think putting it together would also not be easy. So in conclusion, I think that this whole piece, doing the reverse engineering project, was very neat to see that just something as simple as a Dollar Tree spray bottle has 16 different pieces, and there's a lot of engineering that goes into it to build this piece so you can use it properly. And I thought it was very neat. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.